Welcome to the stress-free coding tutorial. Today we will continue to talk about Angular with part 7. If you haven't seen my previous video in which I talk about how to write a service and how to invoke it from a component through dependency injection, take a look. So let's start away, because this part will be full of interesting content. In fact, I tell you about what are REST API, node.js Express framework, web servers, course. Stop. Okay. Maybe I'm exaggerating. Let's take this one step at a time. REST API. So far we have used some embedded JSON data in our code. Today we will set up a small web server which exposes REST APIs, which provide our list of articles calling an endpoint from our Angular application. In this video I choose to focus only on development with Node.js, leaving aside the Angular application to avoid putting too many arguments in a single video. Now you ask me what REST APIs are. REST stands for Representation State Transfer, and API stands for Application Programming Interface. This name refers to the method through which a client can request information from the server following an HTTP protocol. The application of these methods is used in the management through the HTTP protocol of data on which very frequent operations are performed, defined as CRUD. Another acronym. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. This operation can be performed through requests which are POST, used to send data to a server for create or update, GET used to request data from the server for read, PUT used to replace existing resource from the server for update, and delete used to delete an entity from a server. Well, I try to read your mind. You're thinking this dude will tell me I need to install more stuff on my machine. I don't think about it. Well, I have good news. What you need is a Redis tool to get Angular to work. We will use to have the Express library of Node.js run a web server. Node.js. Node.js is an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that runs on a JavaScript engine and executes JavaScript code outside a web browser, which was designed to build scalable network applications. Node.js lets developers use JavaScript to write command line tools and for server-side scripting. Code a web server. Let's start coding our web server. The instruction refers to the Windows 11 environment. Go to the directory where you want to create the project. And from the context menu, choose the Open in Terminal option. Now type the command npm space init space -y. Now let's install the Node.js Express library, typing this command. npm space install space -- save space express. Go to the directory from Explorer, right click and open with code. Trust the authors and add a new index.js file in the root directory. Now let's write these few lines of code. Const express equals require express const up express const port 2022 app.get slash Okay, this way we have created an object of type express and declare an endpoint ready to manage a call of type get. We need to set either instruction to make a call between different domains, avoiding CORS block. CORS stands for Cross-Origin Resource Sharing. Is an HTTP header-based mechanism that allows a server to indicate any region's domain, scheme, or port, other than its own from which a browser should permit a loading resource. Without this either, we cannot load the data from the client, in our case, the Angular application. Now, start the server in a terminal session and type the command node space index.js. Okay, first of all, save, retry. Okay, if we have done everything correctly, this message appears. Now our server listening on port 2022, you choose another different port number. Let's check if a get call also works. Open the browser at localhost colon 2022 is the port number. Okay, appear hello world message. And finally replace in the get method the welcome message with the JSON string of the articles. Restart node and refresh the page. Okay, this is now our JSON article list. Okay, that's all for today. Next time we will see how to call the API from the Angular application. Like and subscribe to the channel for the next free stress video. Bye.